I don't like this music. It's cool. I'm curious, would the gap be this one? Would it be this, or would it be this one? I guess I can scale down on a lower time frame. Yeah, I guess when it comes to 1 hour gaps, I guess I'm gonna respect or put these. See what we can do here. Oh, yeah, so kind of explaining yesterday, I didn't even realize. I don't know why. I've never had CPI on a Tuesday, and it's yeah. And today we have PPI, which I don't think um, is a big deal. This is so sad. But yeah, we had CPI yesterday. I probably shouldn't have traded, but it's still not like my excuse for me losing my trades. I'm just getting super impatient. Honestly, I'm not really taking my time. I'm taking my first trades within like the first like 10, 30 minutes of market open. So I'm gonna try to be more patient. We'll see what we can do. Pretty cool. Okay. This is just like my personal portfolio. Nothing really insane. Not bad. This big dip, bro. I'm dead. This was a weird day for me. I don't know why. And I do have my Roth IRA set up already. It feels good to win at least at something. I started this September? Really? When was June? Well, so I actually opened. Wow, holy shit. I thought this entire time, cause I know I had in May and June, but I thought I started contributing in June, but I didn't start contributing until September. No, that's gotta be wrong. Yeah, it's gotta be wrong. Cause I have um damn, how do you check? I'm not even sure to be honest. But yeah, these are my holdings. QQQ, VXUS, VDE are like my main three, and then I have SMH, DRAM. SMH is just let's see, semiconductor ETF. I still feel like there's room to squeeze when it comes to semiconductors. It's not like I'm trying to catch the fucking the next 200x, but yeah, this just holds, you know, Nvidia, TSM, Intel, Broad.com, AMD, Micron, and the rest you can read. But yeah, I think long term this will be semi beneficiary. Yeah, okay, you know what I'm saying. I'll tell you shit, you know what I'm saying. But year to date it's up 54%. I don't really expect no 54% right away. Last year, absolutely insane. I mean, going crazy. And then DRAM, which is specifically like um, silicone, I guess, when it comes to that. SanDisk, MU, Seagate. And then we have, I know we have a bond in here. I think this is the bond. And then, yeah, two weird ones Samsung, Hynix. Um, this is a newly listed ETF, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so it's actually up like 100%, which like from when it got listed was on April 2nd, which is like a month from now. Around a month, or a month and like 10 days. But again, not looking for no 100x. I don't care about that. I just think long term, especially these companies, Micron and SanDisk. I mean, I don't really have to explain them. If you keep up in stocks at all, an absolute moon, or these two are. Micron at $800 right now. Last week up 20%. Last month up 100%. Last 3 months 100%. Year to date 173, and the last year almost 800%. But yeah, you can see obviously the blasphemy, and I guess this one is even crazier because SanDisk is truly, oh, they lost our 1500 mark, which is, I mean, not really a big deal. They actually hit 1600 at one point, but last week only 1%, 67 in the last month, 145 in the last three. Year to date 500%. So 5 months ago, if you bought this shit, you hit a 5x. Pretty wild. In the last year, 3,400%, which is fucking insane. I guess it's kind of weird because I didn't really know about any of these companies. The only one that I guess I did, wow, I'm stupid as hell. The only big stock that I kind of knew of before all this big boom was the Western Digital. It's actually at 500, which is crazy. Year to date, 180, past year 1,000%, and yeah, I think I caught it around here. I want to say somewhere in this area. I mean, maybe it's like over here, like 60, anywhere from like 50 to 30 to $60, and I didn't actually buy it. I added it to my watch list, and I wish I could show you. Um, I mean, it's expired now, so I can't pull it up. But it was 120x. It was around 120x with my returns. I mean, the percentages was absolutely insane, and I mean, I've continued to kind of tag that the fading, like even with Intel $35 call. This was, I don't even know when I added it. Cost when I added 224. This was way before the boom. I mean, this is a 39x. Um, yeah, but that's not the point. Yeah, no, stocks are doing good. I think everything's kind of going pre-market. These are my individual shares: HUD, Palantir, Oracle, Applied Digital, Duolingo, IonQ, Microsoft, and this is just a stupid little gamble stock that I still haven't sold. I don't know why. Real quick in the meantime. This is another stock that I'm kind of looking at. Just a week ago. It's wild. Alright, back to futures. I don't know why I'm yapping about stocks, but we'll see how this goes. I guess my main bias right now is bullish. Just go retard bull. If we do, I guess kind of what my thesis is right now is we have this data wick on London low, so maybe sweep these lows, maybe retest these gray boxes, which are kind of my 1 hour 1 hour for value gaps, aka like support almost. We'll see how price reacts to these boxes. If we don't hit those boxes and just absolutely moon, then yeah, I guess I missed my chance. There's also a 5 minute fair value gap right here, which we're actually in. We'll see how price reacts to that, which in my theory, if we do want to hit these data lows, then we're rejecting off of this. Oh, market's so down here. VIX is at 18. Little crawl up, but nothing big. Oil, I mean, at 100 plus. That is interesting. Gold, silver, flat. Silver's been running like the last couple of days. Bitcoin, 80K. DXY, I mean, it looks pretty good. Nothing insane, I would assume. Okay, I don't know what that is. DXY looks okay. Nikki, pretty much flat. Literally everything is pretty flat. I think the only one that's moved the most is the Qs. Yeah, everything's pretty flat. I wouldn't say there's yeah. Everything is pretty flat. Looks like we are rejecting off of this, which is interesting. Go for 5 minute. All right, market's about to open. See how fast we hit this if we do. This could be my break even. As I say, we need more lows because this gap right here is gonna really keep doing what it's been doing. It technically broke it, so we should see, yeah, some momentum. Honestly, I'm gonna break even right now. Maybe I'll regret it. Probably should have waited, but that's fine. My top step? Okay. Come on, 20 points away. Well, I'm just gonna secure profit. Honestly, I don't wanna. This is a high risk trade, so I'm not gonna risk anything. Especially on these high risk trades, I kind of train myself to just either break even right away and risk that this red part right here, but do become a risk free trade and also secure profit. So even if I do break even, I still made a little bit down here. That was pretty close. Unless we can still flush, it's very possible. Like 14 points away. Okay. I'm still curious if we go down to that low, but It's holding this very strong. I'm not gonna lie. It's been 4 minutes here almost. What's the 1 minute look like? Yeah, we should go down here now. Wow. Nvidia almost at 230, bro. Are you serious? That is crazy. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, that low is getting hit soon, soon, soon. Still hasn't hit it. Maybe this time? Unless we're kind of SMT here. Yeah, no, just smashed right through it. Alright, that would have been TP hit. I mean, we still made money, so I'm fine. We'll see how price does now. Yeah, so that was London low swept. Yeah, PPI actually did bad. The numbers don't look the best. But, so you guys actually broke these lows. Damn, Netflix red. It's unlucky. I want to take a short so bad. It sucks because like I told myself I was gonna be patient, and here I am. Just want to go short. I already know, bro. Price wants to go and fucking hit these boxes on Asia low at least. Who knows though? Maybe inverse me. Or maybe we have an SMT. For value gap, if we get a break of structure, some type of. What's ES doing? Slowly creeping up. I'm still waiting, but NQ giving us some decent price action. See if it holds this gap. Reject off of it, maybe. So far, so good. If we break a structure and one more confluence, we can actually enter longs here. Yes, still kind of holding down on the bottom. Obviously, NQ is the more bullish index right now. NQ still kind of hanging around. Dochi. Is that what you guys call it? Dochi. This little shit. Okay, disrespected that. I would assume ES is going. Okay, ES dumping should keep going lower. This was just kind of like theoretical, like SMT with a I don't even know what I saw. SMT with a bullish for value gap, and then a rejection off of this gap, pushing price higher, and that would have been it. That would have been a good long entry with more confluence with like a breaker structure or something, but it's alright. Okay, yeah, price coming down really, really fast. Big dumps. Big fucking dump. Holy shit, bro. Just dump, dump, dump. Holy fuck. Oh my god, I missed my entry. That's an IVG right there. And we're just dumping. That is crazy. That is crazy. My trade literally would have looked like this. I guess confirmation, like right here. Targeting. Where's. I want it, yes, that's why. Okay, yeah. So ES would have been the trade to hit it on. Then Asia lows. His TP. Wow. I missed that so bad, and I have to shit. Nah, that's crazy. All right, I'll be back. That is wild. Let's go on the 5 minute. Okay, I'll be back. Okay. What did I miss? What did I miss? A little pullback off of that inverse for value gap. Where did I have it? I had it marked. Was it a 5 minute? Yeah, it was. So we actually have a pullback right here, which is very interesting. Can I take the same trade on NQ? I think I like ES more. Just one contract. Alright, we're gonna go short here. Where? ES. It doesn't show midnight or what the fuck? Oh, I'm on midnight. That's why. Here we go. Wow, that's so different. Holy shit. I should exit this trade. I'm break even, so I'm going to. Okay, we're gonna take this trade on MNQ then. We're gonna go short, target Asia low, which is 2054 or 29, blah blah blah, whatever. 54. This is a 1 to 3. I'm purely entering off of the same idea, missing the IFVG, but with the pullback, it, everything still applies. It's still there intact. It's just a pullback on that original trade. If I were to have taken that trade, so I'm actually not worried at all. We'll see though. See what ES is doing. Still kind of crabbing. still kind of crabbing. Because we actually bounced off of this just a little bit, but I think in order for a price to go lower, we need to stop out the people that are already short, and then oh wow, it's actually really fucking interesting. I didn't even realize this tap into this. Is it the 1 minute or I don't know what I was marking out. Little pump here. Yeah, I think that's 1 minute. Yeah, so this gap getting double respected so far. Hopefully we see price keep going lower. Gonna actually add a contract. TP or break. What stop loss? Something that's pretty appropriate. This might be bad. I'm not gonna lie. I should have probably kept it, right? 227. Okay, that's fine. I should have left it. That's whatever. I mean, I try not to move my stop loss and take profit as soon as I enter the trade, but I guess that was a bad. I don't know. I feel like it was too high. Like up here when it could have been down here. I'll see how this plays out. We need some upper downers. Yes, still doing absolutely nothing. Okay, we broke that low. I'm actually gonna fill one. I want to make sure I'm not making too much money because this isn't a prop firm. So I'm gonna go back down to 4 contracts, and then if I hit this and this, it'd be like 1,300. So I'd say my consistency rule is gonna be good. A lot of crab. I don't like this shit. Give me at least decent price action. ES creeping up. On the 30-second. Like why as soon as I enter the trade we just start crabbing. Like we had actually like a decent price action, and now we're just Johnnying. VIX going down, oil going up. Theoretically, the market should be going down. That's what I know. Bitcoin lost 80K, which is interesting. Alright, no more swapping. I'm just gonna sit on this page. Mm-mm. What the hell? What did I just do? Jesus Christ, that was terrible. I couldn't move my fucking screen.
This is like the ultimate fucking crab. I mean, NQ is creeping lower. I mean,
It's it's happening. The ultimate crab.
looks like we're going up. Just not good.
Still, I'm gonna leave it. I don't give a fuck if we get stopped out. I don't give a fuck if we hit TP because tomorrow's a new day. This is the longest trade in the world. All right. Hmm. Wow, this is so fun. This would suck. Like, I feel like if I was like just now learning trading and I got so used to this price action, like I don't even know what the fuck I would do. Like, this is actually so bad. I guess it's the wrong tool. ES looks like it's creeping up now. So yeah, this is where I might get stopped out. It sucks, honestly. No, it really does, cause like this could have been such a banger trade if we just fucking didn't crab. Like, obviously, buyers and sellers are fighting. We'll see. Um, I do want to check Revolve though. Yeah. Wow. What about CBD? CBD, boo boo, bow. Yeah, buyers are eating up. Sucks, might get stopped out, but whatever. Alright, yeah, this is probably where I get stopped out. I could just close, but I don't give a fuck. I don't. I don't care. I wish I cared. Stop me out, you're gay. If you stop me out, you like big fucking dick in your ass. Yeah. Yeah. Stop playing.
I'm curious though. When I do get stopped though, I wonder if they're gonna make market makers are gonna make another entry for shorts, because they want to stop out the short sellers and go long maybe. Trash ass motherfucker. That's actually fun. Now I'm gonna close it just for YouTube.
That's fun.
We're coming up on the final 30-minute stretch. I'm just curious how Google's doing. God, I'm already tired. Here, hold on. Holy shit. Wait, is this real? Like, what the fuck? Where is it? I don't see it. Oh my god. Holy shit. That's wild. How's this real, bro? I was literally holding like down here and oh my god, bro. My 5K would have turned into like 25K if I just held. That is fucking insane. No, that's literally insane. That is fucking crazy. So fuck on it. That still would have been. I'm just looking at this ES trade that I missed because let's say I don't know. Let's say I entered here. It'd be like a quick 1-to-1. I don't know. There was definitely a possibility there. I'm just surprised we didn't go lower, to be honest. Especially in this 1 hour, we didn't even get close to it. Let's go 1 hour. Yeah, we hit that 1 hour, just bounced off of it. Shut up. I'm just curious. Honestly, bro, I might call it. Honestly, I'm speechless. There's no price action. We're not doing anything. I could just long and fucking hope we do something, but it's like we're not doing anything, bro. We are not doing anything. Yeah, it's alright. I'm not tripping. Alright. I will call it here. I'll see y'all tomorrow.